Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. In this video, I am going to explain the demonstration of osmosis by potato osmoscope experiment. Osmosis is a process. In this, the movement of water or solvent it takes place based on concentration gradient without using ATP energy from the region of higher water potential to region of its lower water potential until it reach equilibrium through semi-permeable membrane. Such type of osmosis process it can be demonstrated with the help of two experiments. In this, one of the experiment is called potato osmoscope experiment. In this potato osmoscope experiment, to demonstrate movement of water, we takes a potato tuber, and in this potato tuber, many plant cells are present can perform osmosis process. In this potato osmoscope experiment, the potato it is peeled and it will be cutted in the form of a cubic shape. After that, by creating a small cavity, so a cavity is created in this potato tuber. This potato cavity it helps to take either water or solution during experiment. This entire potato tuber by creating with a cavity it is taken in a beaker. So inside the beaker it is taken. So this potato osmoscope experiment can be conducted in two ways to explain the movement of water from either inside to outside or outside to inside. In first experiment, experiment 1. In first experiment, inside the potato in cavity, the sucrose solution it is taken up to certain level and it is the sucrose solution is taken inside the cavity up to certain level. That is marked with a small pin. Outside of this potato in beaker, when we take water, in such condition the concentration gradient is created because the sucrose solution having more solute particles with less water potential, but in water which is taken outside of the potato, in this water potential is high and solute potential is low compared to cavity solution. In such condition, based on concentration gradient, the movement of solvent or water it takes place from outside to inside of the potato. Due to transportation of water from outside to inside of the potato into cavity, so gradually we can observe the increasing the level of solution, and the final level also it is marked with a pen. It indicates the movement of water through semi-permeable membrane present in potato cells. It is the first experiment. In this first experiment, the movement of water it takes place from outside to inside of the cavity based on concentration gradient. By taking one more experiment, it is experiment 2. In this experiment 2, the second experiment, inside of this potato tuber in cavity, we take water up to certain level and we marked with a pen. It is water is taken inside the cavity. So outside of this potato, the sucrose solution is taken up to certain level. So up to certain level, sucrose solution is taken. So here also the concentration gradient is created. Due to this concentration gradient, in sucrose solution water potential is low and in water the water potential is high. So based on this concentration gradient, the movement of water, it always takes place from high water potential to low water potential. In such condition, gradually we observe the decreasing water level in cavity. In this way, based on concentration gradient, the movement of water, it takes place from outside to inside or inside to outside of the potato cavity. It is called potato osmoscope experiment. It helps to demonstrate osmosis process.